This is unboxing of wireless microphone for Type-C cell phones. And this is what I am using for doing voice-over segments on my contents. So, not just one microphone, but two microphones. I prefer to have two microphones so that I have a backup in case the microphone that I am using during the recording runs out of battery or power. Then, I have a backup that I can use right away. This is the power cable for recharging the microphones. This set is ideal for live shows, interviews, and vlogging. This is plug and play with 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive, and widely compatible. This is a smart wireless microphone that provides professional-grade recording output. Plug and play, no app required, multiple uses. It can be used in online live broadcasting, video blog shooting, program interviews, recording videos, teaching, and other occasions. This is the transmitter and the receiver. A microphone transmitter, another microphone transmitter, and the receiver. ID diagram. Let's learn the parts of a transmitter and the parts of a receiver. This is the windproof net, switch key, the microphone Type-C charging port, microphone clip, which you can slide in and out of the transmitter to reverse its orientation. This is the receiver. This is the port to connect phone. This is a Type-C charging port, so you can still charge your phone even when the receiver is in place or connected to your phone. To use, connect the receiver to the charging port of the phone. The connection is successful if the phone displays a small icon. Press the switch key of the microphone. The indicator light turns green and then power is turned on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.